Okay, so today's video is a very quick one. If you're interested in mounting your keyboards to the wall like I've done over my left shoulder here, there's a very easy way to do it actually. What I noticed is most people who mount their keyboards to the wall usually use these shelves from Amazon, and this mounting, it's just not convenient. It's also too big and it generally just doesn't look good. So I found this controller mount. These are actually for like Xbox and PS4 controllers and stuff that you can use. Now, the reason why I chose this ones is because they actually come with three double-sided 3M tape, I think that's what they're called, but they also come with screws for your wall, right? So what I've done is to make sure that my keyboards hold up and they don't actually fall, because you know those are really expensive devices. I have used the 3M tape in conjunction with the screws. That way I have like the best mounting experience pretty much, and my keyboards are never going to fall off my wall. And there's also the added advantage of these things being very low profile and they actually look really good. So you can't go wrong with this. Yes, they do feel plasticky, but they will hold up because again, I am mounting with both the screws and the 3M tape, and it's fantastic. I believe these are from a brand called On Lifestyle, and I paid around $15 for a pack of 4, but they also come in a pack of 6 for around $22. So depending on how many keyboards you're trying to mount to the wall, or you know, yeah, or maybe you just want extra in case you want to mount something else in future, these are actually excellent and they don't cost an arm and a leg. Anyways, I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I guess I will see you on another video that was shot by Kagan. Peace.